Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have DOT Daily Update. I suggest you to see all the video right there because we will talk about very important stuff. Before we begin, join the monthly subscription. I have the link in the description and the comments section. Buy me a coffee/Mind Your Crypto. You will get easy profits through an automated system, updated automated system with 200 altcoins. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell them. So you will also get market updates, personal guidance every day, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, and many more benefits such as random giveaways and pine scripts for trading view to take your trading level into the expert level. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Do not forget to join the Telegram group chat as well and hit the like button and subscribe. Let's go and see DOT. Okay, so you can see that DOT right now is having a little bit of what we would call a distribution, week of distribution on the 4-hour frame. What does it mean? It means that we were going upwards. You can see that we were going a little bit upwards, then stop around here, had a breakdown, and we might find resistance on the 20-day EMA and have another push towards the downwards as well. We are going to see how this will happen, what will be the next price targets, and if this will happen on the short term and on the midterm. We are going to go absolutely higher. Let's go on the MACD, and the MACD you can see that we are having all the time lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so eventually we might be getting further down, or because we are going so much sideways and we have gone down with the MACD, maybe here is a nice area of reaccumulation and we go even higher. We have seen that going on again with other altcoins. And let's go to the risk metrics. Okay, risk metrics right there. You can see that we do not hold any extreme oversold situation. You can see a little bit the week of distribution right here, week of distribution actually right here as well, lower low and a little bit of a lower high pattern on the RSI. What we hope to see is eventually to see a little bit of a higher high pattern right here, not fall down again into a lower high and below the 30. We want to see that. We do not hold for now an extreme overbought situation. Yes, we can go even further upwards if the 20-day and the 50-day EMA will allow us to. Okay, let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, you can see that we had a selling opportunity here, not a buying opportunity, of course, yet. When you are seeing a candlestick like this, it is very hard to rebuy right afterwards, but at the same time it is not like we are absolutely bearish. You can see back then, for example, we had a very nice swing high, then we had this totally bearish candle, and then we had a bottom pretty soon. Then we went upwards again. Okay, so it doesn't mean that we will necessarily be going downwards. Instead, we are just a little bit careful. But anyway, it looks good because on the daily frame, you will see that the stochastic RSI is going into an oversold situation. And of course, we might be getting further upwards with the RSI and the commodity channel index and the Fisher transform. Let's go to .Bitcoin chart. Here on the 4-hour frame, you will see we have the exact same thing. We have a little bit of a resistance level at the 20-day EMA, and of course this price label right here, the 0.307048. Okay, so we have the resistance level and we want to see if we can eventually move upwards. We will find some important resistance level in case you trade the Bitcoin pairs. Okay, this is not for everyone, but if you trade the Bitcoin pairs, if we break above this line right here, we might be getting to the 0.307192, 0.307325. All right, that's for DOT against Bitcoin on the 4-hour frame. It looks good. However, we can correct even more. Okay, always have that in your mind, especially with the bearish RSI divergence that we had back on the 4-hour frame. You can see higher high in the price, but lower high in the RSI. All right, so always have in your mind that we might be getting a little bit further down. For the time being, let's go to the daily frame. On the daily frame, we still look good. We still climb the 20-day EMA. We do not have to be scared about anything right now, but always keep in your mind that for Bitcoin chart we do not hold any oversold situation. Okay, so you have to be a little bit careful for Bitcoin chart. They are on the daily frame. It is hard for now to reapproach the all-time high for DOT against Bitcoin, but if we draw a fib retracement, you will see that we are near the 0.618. Eventually here we went a little bit above the 0.618, but found immediately huge sell pressure. Maybe the next price target though will be the 0.308782. If we go there, then be sure and get ready that DOT will go even higher onto the 48 and the 50 Tether USD area. I do believe that on midterm Polkadot is very good. On the short term though, we have to break the 20-day and the 50-day MA, and more likely the 42.55 to be more precise, to give you an exact target with the USDT valuation 42.55. We will be getting to the 43.47, the 0.618 Fibonacci retracement, and afterwards we will be getting to 44.75, but we need to break it, okay? Because right now, as it seems like, it looks like a week of distribution, mini distribution actually, on the 4-hour frame, but it can be a very nice rig buying entry around here. And Polkadot, I think, is very good. Apart from having this crash right there that you can see, we went down around -7% for sure, maybe even more actually. Let's see how much down did we get. 15%, but we closed at the 8% to 9 around there, okay? And afterwards we went even higher. You can see that we even went down to the -12%. Then from there we just had a little bit of a swing high, mainly because Bitcoin is going upwards, okay? And you can see that's why I am referring to week of mini distribution on the 4-hour frame. You can see Bitcoin as well that had the higher lows and higher highs, and then it had a low breakdown, then a swing high, and then broke down again. For DOT might be the same, might be not actually, because if Bitcoin goes upwards from now on and it goes to the next price target, to the 73k, I don't believe that DOT will be able to go further downwards. But if Bitcoin from now on, from the 40, from this area right here, it can go to the 56,000 Tether USD, then yes, maybe DOT will push itself towards the downwards more, eventually maybe going into the 37 Tether USD. Does that mean that we are bearish in the midterm? No, we are not, okay? And you can buy DOT for the midterm because this altcoin right there will pump up along with other altcoins and along with Bitcoin. Let's see a little bit the weekly frame as well to see if we have a very extreme high risk right there. We do not have an extreme risk due to the fact that the RSI is not above the 70. However, you should be careful with the commodity channel index, as you can see right here with the stochastic RSI and the Fisher transform. So yes, we might not be having the extreme overbought situation right there, but be a little bit careful, okay? That doesn't mean though that we will be correcting or we have any significant risk. That's my personal opinion about DOT. It is the best for the midterm. For the short term, better to just wait a little bit. If you want to accumulate in this area though, it is the best thing you can do right now, because DOT will not be going only onto the next price targets, which will be the 48 and the 50 Tether USD, but even higher after it breaks the 46. And of course, you can see that the previous all-time high for DOT was at around 50 Tether USD. I do believe that DOT can go above its previous all-time high, and it can go even higher. After all, it is on an impulsive wave mode, as you can see right here, and I do believe that we are on the third correction right there for the Elliott impulsive wave theory. For DOT, we can go even higher, and the highest we can go will be way above the 60 Tether USD. So if you accumulate right now, you will win, okay? Eventually, whatever we do in the short term, you will just win. And do not forget to join the monthly subscription, link in the comment section. Buy me a coffee/mindyourcrypto, easy profits with 200 altcoins. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.